So today we're going to clean this love seat. We're going to use hot water extraction for upholstery. When cleaning upholstery, it's called wet cleaning. And we'll go over the different methods of cleaning. But just to give you an idea of the amount of dirt involved here, let's get close. And you can see this is a love seat that actually somebody threw away. There doesn't appear to be any tears in the material. It actually seems to be in pretty good repair, but it is so dirty that that's a better shot of it. You can see it's just really coated with dirt. Somebody probably figured it couldn't be cleaned. Well, we're going to test that theory. See if we can clean this up and get it looking pretty. Although we'll probably only do half of it. This is the back, obviously. Alright, see it there.